artificial intelligence companies are increasingly turning to debt markets to finance their rapid expansion, marking a shift from their traditional reliance on equity funding. The recent pullback in global stock markets, driven by stretched valuations and concerns over an AI-driven bubble, has coincided with a surge in bond issuance by AI-focused firms, extending investor unease from equities into the corporate credit space. This trend became evident in late November when a wave of new AI-related debt triggered a brief bout of volatility. Welcome to Varindia News Hour. Corporate credit spreads widened as investors reassessed risks linked to rising leverage, sustained cash burn, and the long gestation periods required for AI investments to translate into stable revenues. For a moment, optimism around AI's transformative promise gave way to caution in fixed income markets. Since then, conditions have stabilized. Equity markets have rebounded, credit spreads have narrowed, and appetite for high-quality corporate bonds has returned. Confidence has been supported by the strong balance sheets of large technology firms and expectations that AI will drive long-term productivity and economic gains. Yet, the broader shift is far from over. AI companies are expected to continue issuing bonds to fund capital-intensive requirements such as data centers, specialized chips, cloud infrastructure, and energy capacity. If borrowing accelerates further, it could alter credit dynamics within the technology sector and pose wider questions about financial stability, keeping investors on alert as the AI boom evolves. Let's look into today's headlines. WhatsApp must seek user approval before sharing data with Meta, rules NCLAT. The National Company Law Appellate Tribunal has clarified that WhatsApp must obtain user consent before sharing any data with Meta companies for both advertising and non-advertising purposes. The ruling removes ambiguity around WhatsApp's 2021 privacy policy, which was earlier termed coercive by the Competition Commission of India. The tribunal said consent must be clear, optional, and revocable, and gave WhatsApp 3 months to comply. Dell to hike commercial laptop prices by up to 30% amid global RAM shortage. Dell will increase prices across its commercial laptops and desktops by 10 to 30% starting December 17th as a global RAM shortage pushes component costs higher. The hikes will mainly affect systems with higher RAM and SSD configurations along with select monitors and GPU upgrades. The move applies only to Dell's corporate customers for now. Dell has also warned businesses that placing orders today will not lock in current prices. Jio introduces Happy New Year 2026 prepaid plans starting at Rs 103. Reliance Jio has rolled out 3 Happy New Year 2026 prepaid plans starting at Rs 103 for prepaid users across India. The offerings include a Flexi Pack with 5 GB data, a Rs 500 monthly plan, and a Rs 3,599 annual recharge. The higher plans come with daily high-speed data, unlimited voice calls and SMS, bundled OTT subscriptions, and free access to Google Gemini AI Pro, along with Jio TV and Jio AI Cloud services. Meta's Threads tests new community features with flares and champion badges. Meta-owned Threads is testing new community features to boost user engagement. The platform is introducing flares, which lets users add customized labels under their usernames, and champion badges to recognize top contributors. Threads currently hosts over 200 communities across various interests. The new features, similar to those on Reddit, are being tested internally and may roll out to community spaces in future updates. Microsoft will drop AI systems that risk losing human control, says AI chief. Microsoft's AI CEO Mustafa Suleyman has said the company will abandon any artificial intelligence system that risks running beyond human control. He stressed that safety, containment, and alignment are non-negotiable before releasing advanced AI. The statement comes after Microsoft gained greater freedom to develop superintelligence under a revised agreement with OpenAI, allowing independent AI research and development. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to Varindia magazine. You can download the Varindia app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.